I was skiing this afternoon and now I'm out in the garden planting seeds. The seeds that I am planting right now are ones that do best being direct sown as well as can handle cooler temperatures. So those would be peas, lettuce, kale, carrots, and radishes. I'm going to show you exactly how I plant these seeds. So let's start with peas. The type of peas I'm planting on this side of my raised bed is sugar magnolia snap peas. So to plant seeds, they look like this. They only need to be about 1 inch deep and they only need to be 2 to 3 inches apart. So I am going to be just pushing them into the soil at the base of my trellis here. And then just lightly covering them up. Just like that. Next, I'm going to be planting radish seeds. These only need to be sown about 1/4 inch deep. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to just make a line right in my soil there. Open up the pack of seeds and sprinkle them about 2 inches apart. And if I have to thin them, I'll just thin them later on. And then just lightly cover up the radish seeds. Next, I'm going to be doing carrot seeds. Since this bed specifically is only 1 foot deep, I have chosen carrots that are ox heart carrots, that are short carrots and don't need a large depth of soil. So with carrot seeds, they need a lot of moisture in order to germinate and they need to be barely covered. So I have these little trenches that I have dug and I'm just going to take my carrot seeds and I'm going to lightly sprinkle them and try and get them to be about 2 inches apart right in here. I overseeded them just a little bit as these seeds are a bit older, so I wanted to make sure I'm going to get some germination. And with these seeds, you just lightly cover them up. I like to have them in these little trenches, so when I'm watering, it kind of keeps the water in the one spot that they currently are in. So I'm not going to completely bury my little trench here. So it keeps the water in that spot, and make sure that when you're watering, you're not using high pressure water because you don't want to enlarge the seeds and bury them. Next, I'm going to be doing lettuce, and there is 2 different methods I like to do with lettuce. I like to do seed tape you can get, which is the easy way of doing it, and then other lettuce seeds. So with lettuce, it needs to be 1/2 inch in seed depth. So I'll do this is Grand Rapids lettuce, which is one of my favorites. Seed tape just looks like that, and the seeds are already placed, and you just place it right in the soil about 1/2 inch in depth. And then you just want to lightly water it in and just cover up your seed tape just like that. And then with regular lettuce seeds, this one is romaine. So with regular lettuce seeds, you can see they're quite tiny. You just take your seeds and you plant them 1/2 inch deep and about 1 inch apart, and then you can thin them out later on. And then after the seeds are planted, then you just lightly cover them up. And last is kale. And with kale, it is only 1/4 inch in depth as well. I'm not a huge fan of kale, but I do like to make kale chips, so I'm only planting a few seeds and near the edge of my raised bed. So about 1/4 inch deep. I'm just going to lightly sprinkle the seeds just right like that. Now that all my seeds are planted, all I'm going to do is give it a good little watering to water in the seeds there. there you go. That is how I direct sow some of my early spring crops like lettuce, carrots, peas, radishes, and kale. If you like this video and would like to see more gardening videos like this, hit that like button, hit subscribe on the channel, and we'll see you on the next one. And like always, thank you for watching.